Hey going you monsters, it's Rodney from Monsta Touring. Guys, we get a lot of customers asking how do we install the roof bars and the solar panel. Now, it isn't very hard, it isn't very time consuming generally, but if it's your first time, you might struggle to figure out what bolt is for what and what nut is for what. So just a little video demonstration for you guys so that you can watch it and be a little bit more confident come time to install, guys. Now, I'll run you through what you get in the box within the rooftop tent when you pick it up, and then also what you get separately. So I've already opened the tent a little bit. I've taken off the straps and the tape. So I'll show you guys what you're getting inside. So you actually get the bars, the roof racks there inside the tent. They come in the package. And then on the side over here as well, we get the solar panel, which is over here, comes in a separate box. And then also your solar panel brackets as well. They come in a separate box too. So your solar panel and your solar panel brackets, they come externally in separate boxes. And your roof racks, they come included inside the MT Godzilla rooftop tent. So, all right guys, so just to kind of recap what we get inside the tent, here are roof rack brackets. Here's our actual roof racks. And as I said before, you get the solar panel brackets externally in separate boxes, and the solar panels all in an external separate box as well. All right guys, that's all out of the way. We're ready to go. So what I'm going to do first is we'll start with the roof racks, show you guys how to install those. So what we'll do is we'll open these up. And you get two of those. Get your Stanley, open up your little bracket box. Okay, so come in here, have a look. Get four of these, one on each end of each bar. And then get this little bag of goodies. So basically these nuts and bolts here, these bigger ones, they're all with Loctite as well. They're all to secure the actual bracket to the rooftop tent. And these smaller, kind of longer ones here at the back, these are to secure the actual roof bar to these brackets here. So the small ones to secure the roof bar to the brackets, and the big ones are to secure the bracket to the rooftop tent. All right guys, so grab your first roof bar. Put it here. You need an 8mm little spanner. So we get the first roof bar. All right, just leave it on loosely for now. Get your next one on. All right guys, that one's on. We'll go the other side now. All right guys, so they're all our nuts and bolts in place to be put on loosely. I'll do the second one off video. I've just done the first one for you guys just to show you how it all works. It's all nice and loose now. We can tighten it up once it's fitted onto the tent. So we'll fix up these brackets first onto the actual tent, and then we'll tighten up all the top ones after that as well. So that's how we do our roof racks. Let's jump on to our solar panel. Alrighty, now that our roof racks are out of the way, we'll start with our solar panels. So I'll start with the actual solar panel first, then we'll go over to our bracket. So grab your Stanley once again. Cut up all the little tapes everywhere. Should be right now. Alrighty. This is our solar panel. Get it out of the box. Leave it upside down because that's how we're going to install it. Might do it this way. And yeah, we'll crack on with our brackets. Now, what I'll do, clear the tools out the way, grab the Stanley again, open up the brackets for the box. Alrighty, pull them out from inside. And there they are, guys. There are solar brackets. That's one of them. Some nuts and bolts. Here's our second bracket. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another cleanup. Lots of plastic, lots of cleaning up to do. And we'll come back. Alrighty, so we'll open up this little bag. Alright guys, so very similar to the roof racks, we've got different nuts and bolts for different purposes. We've got the smaller nuts and bolts at the back here, there to secure the solar panel onto the brackets. And then we've got these bigger Loctite nuts and bolts here to secure the actual brackets onto the rooftop tent. So we've got a little bit of Loctite with us, so we can add it onto these, make sure the solar panel is secured nice and securely, but we'll touch on that in a sec. So what we're going to start off with, guys, is we're going to start off mounting the solar panel onto the brackets first. Once that's all secured, we'll take the whole piece and then we'll mount it onto the rooftop tent, guys. So what we'll do is, we've got the two holes here on the side of the solar panels, and we're going to bolt them in to the holes inside the brackets. Alright guys, so now that the solar brackets are in place, we need a little bit of a Loctite for these ones, and we also need to measure up the perfect distance between this bracket and this bracket. Now that's super important. So what we want to do is we want to make sure the distance between the inside of this bracket to the inside of this bracket here is 131 centimeters, guys. Now that needs to be exact. If it's too small, we're going to put that later on. We're going to put it to mount it onto the rooftop tent, and it's going to scratch. And if it's too big, then we're going to be tightening it. We're going to be flexing the glass potentially, and then we're going to cause damage. It's not going to be secured properly, and all sorts of things. So guys, it's super important that we do measure it up, both at the front and the back, at 131 centimeters exactly. So I'll crack on with the first bracket. Get that in there. Get it in with your spanner. We only need a tiny bit, guys. Alright guys, so now that's all tightened. Go through and do that for the next three, and we'll work on the other side afterwards. So what we're going to do is we're going to repeat that process again. But like I said, super important. Now we've actually got to measure up. So it's going to be 131 centimeters from the one we've done before, exactly to the mil, guys. So what we're going to do is, before we start putting in the nuts and bolts with the Loctite, we're going to just measure up the distance, and we're going to see how we go from there. So remember, guys, inside to inside. Okay. And then right guys, so now we've measured up. We just repeat the process again with the nuts and bolts and the Loctite. So alright guys, so now that we've secured our brackets onto our solar panels, we've measured them with the Loctite, they're all nice and secured, ready to go. Now we're going to mount the solar panel onto the rooftop tent. So what we actually need to do first, guys, is now we need to go back to our bigger nuts and bolts here. So how it works is these bigger nuts, they actually slide into the side of the rooftop tent, and because they're square, they lock in when we're tightening the bolts with an Allen key from the outside. Now, I'll show you guys exactly how that's done. All right, guys, now we've got our nuts that we want to slide into the grooves here in the rooftop tent. Easier doing it now than it is later. So what we'll do is we'll just whack it onto the side here. There's a little bit of silicone, guys, that keeps it a little bit tight for us. So what we're going to do is we want to just kind of move it along with our screwdriver, get it in. We want to get all four in on each side so that it's easier for us a little bit later. So, all right, guys, now that all of our nuts are in place, let's grab the solar panel and whack it on. All right, guys, now that we've got it on, slide it into position. All right, guys, so you want to be lining up the nuts that we put in earlier. So you just lift up the corner slightly, drag it to where you need it, drop it. All right, guys, now we get our bolts with our Allen key, and then we put them in. So again, lift up the corner. Get the second one. That's it, guys. We'll go do that for each of the other three corners as well. And that's it, guys. Our solar panel will be mounted on. All right, guys, now that we're done with the solar panel, we'll jump onto the roof racks. Now, the roof racks mount on to the rooftop tent using the same principle. So the nuts slide into this groove here. However, because we want to have one on this side and one on here as well, we've actually got this little clip here that's in the way for this extra latch that we've added. So what we're going to do, guys, is we've just got to simply take it out, slide in the first rack, put it back in, and then put on our last rack, which is super easy, guys. Again, we just take these bolts out here with an Allen key. It is a little bit smaller, but that's what needs to be done. So let's do it. Grab the Allen key. Take this one out. Take out the other side as well. All right, guys, now that they're out, we're going to do the same thing as solar panel. We're going to put our big nuts in the grooves before we put our actual roof racks on. Big nuts in again. Big nuts. Once again, don't forget our little latches. Now there's two little ones, two little nuts and two little bolts. Just make sure they're obviously square and line up with the actual latch as well. Nice and secure, guys. Easy as. We'll get the racks on and we'll see how that goes. So we've got the first one. Get the bolts for them. Second one. Tighten it properly in the end, of course. Go do the other side. All right, that's the first one lined up. Let's do the second bar. The other side. All right, guys, now that they're all in position, let's go through and make sure they're all nice and hand tight before we secure the bar to the actual bracket properly. Now that that's secured onto the tent, let's go through and secure the bar to the actual bracket and finish off what we're doing a little bit earlier. Grab our Phillips and grab our 8mm spanner again. Go through and tighten up all 8 bolts. All right, guys, now that's all done. It's all secured. Wouldn't be a good job without me saying it's not going anywhere. So what we're going to do now is add the caps on to the end of the bars. All right, guys, that's all done. So we've got our rack secured onto our rooftop tent. We've got our solar panels secured onto our rooftop tent as well. All that's left to do is just to plug in your solar panel through the Anderson plug cable that we've provided with the solar panel. And that's it, guys. Super easy, super quick, and hope you guys found this video useful. See you in the next video.